Okay, I'm sorry. Snazzy Starbucks. Yeah, that's good. Oh, we're beginning early. From the looks of it, it looks like it's folded diagonally like this. And in the middle like this. Can I like lower this down, or does it I don't think it matters too much. Anyhow. This step might be hard for some. I've met a lot of people don't know how to do this one. Here. Like that. Easy. Fold the top edges. Fold towards the middle, yeah. These steps are pretty basic, complex steps. When you do like more difficult origamis, you'll see these steps everywhere. But they don't explain them. They just like fold towards the center line or the crease line or something like that. Nothing really spectacular. Like that, I think. And then open up. I'm gonna jump in real quick to tell you that this means on the other side as well. Like if you're folding one way and then it says this symbol, that means the same on the other side also. And then to this side, and then to this side, like that. We were before here, and now we are here. Like that. Yeah, towards the middle. I usually do an extra fold when I'm making the water balloon base. I usually make extra folds so it's like easier to separate it. Usually the fold is like right there. I don't know if you can see that. Of course you can't, but it's like this. Where the edge is supposed to move, I'll do a little extra like that. So when I pull it apart and open it, oh shit, you didn't see this one. It's gonna be easier to open the model. I'm doing it with my finger, by the way. He does it by pulling the paper. Finger's easier. I just put that in there and then poke it out. There we go. A little Raiders of the Lost Ark mummy movie, like key or something. I mean, yeah. The frog. I cannot put it. Can I put this on though? Oh wow. Wow. It looks existing. No way. I mean, you can glue it properly because it's like flimsy. At least the paper I'm using, it's kind of flimsy. So you can like glue it a bit better, maybe. Yeah. If you glue it like right there, that will make it a lot sturdier. Just let me look. Oh my god.